Good morning, kids. Welcome to the class nursery of the St. Mary's Convent School, Mariam Nagar. Today, I am going to teach you the letter small b. Which letter? Small b. So, let's start. Today, we will learn how to write letter B. Small b. What is this? Small b. First, you have to make a standing line, then semicurve. First, you have to make a standing line, then semicurve. Okay, what is this? B. B. B for B for banana. B for banana. B for banana. Okay. Students, take out your alphabet reader reading an activity book. Find out page number 2. What is this? Capital B, and what is this? Small b. Capital B and small b. What is this? Ball. What is this? Ball. What is this? Balloon. What is this? Balloon. What is this? Butterfly. What is this? Butterfly. And what is this? Banana. What is this? Banana. Again I recall. B ball, B ball, B ball, B balloon, B balloon, B butterfly, B butterfly, B banana. Now I show you the real objects related to the letter B. B banana, B banana. Now basket. I put this banana in this basket. B banana. What is this? Basket. What is this? Basket. Now, what is this? Bottle. What is this? B bottle. What is this? Bottle. What is this? B bottle. And what is this? Bag. What is this? Bag. You hang your bag on your shoulders now. Where is your shoulders? Yes, very good. Bag. Blackboard. Blackboard. Wow, what is this? Balloons. What is this? Balloons. 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 Okay. Bell. Bell. Okay. Now take out your red color notebook. First we do activity related to letter B. First you have to make this B, then you have to paste the beads, bindis, whatever you have. Okay. This activity will helps you what the formation of letter B. First you have to make a standing line, then semicurve, then semicurve. Okay. Whatever you have take it and paste it. Don't help your child in pasting. Okay. Beads. What is this? Beads. See, first you have to make a standing line, then semicurve. Okay. See, I am pasting here. B for balloon. Okay, if you have the buttons at your home, you can paste it here. Whatever you have, bindis. Okay, this will helps you. This activity will helps you. What is the formation of letter B? Small b. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. Now, with the help of straw and bangle. Mama wear bangle here na? Bangle. So, it's bangle. First you have to make a standing line, then semicurve. Then what is this? Small b. What is this? Small b. Small b. Small b. Small b. Big b ball. Big b ball. Okay. Now students, now how to make letter B? First line, second line, third line and fourth line. First you have to start with upper red line till blue line, standing line. Then from the second line take a semicurve. Again standing line till third line. Okay, you have to make standing line, then from the second line take a semicurve. B for ball, standing line, then from the second line take a curve. B for ball. You have to color it with crayons in the ball. Mention the date here, 7, 10, 20. Today, what day is today? Wednesday. C.W. So, first line you have to join the dots slowly. Standing line, then semicurve. Standing line, then semicurve. Standing line, then semicurve. Standing line, then from the second line make a semicurve. Standing line, then semicurve. Again standing line, then semicurve. Standing line, then semicurve. Standing line, then semicurve. First step you have to make a standing line, then semicurve. Standing line, then semicurve. Standing line, then semicurve. B ball. 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 I hope you all clear the letter small b. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. You have to color it in this ball, okay?